everybody, I'm Nikki. I live for DIY projects, gardening, cooking, and just being my unique self.
It's time to party, baby.
Meanwhile, my husband and I are raising our daughter and son, both with special needs. And we can't forget to add Delta and Nala, our German shepherds, to the mix of shenanigans. Yes, it's a lot, but I love it. I love them, so it's all worth it. Welcome to my channel, The Everyday Life of an OCDish Chick. So it is about to go down in the kitchen. I'm making some homemade quesadillas. And you can't have quesadillas without some fresh spring onion. Well, I wouldn't want to not have fresh spring onions in my quesadilla. Let's maybe put it that way. Besides, some of these onions are just hanging over the bag. I think they're screaming to be used. These spring onions were some that I purchased at the grocery store. I replanted them and I just keep cutting them. They grow back and here I am cutting again. Yes, check that out. Beautiful, yummy. And these, they'll grow back in no time. So I dropped more seeds in my lettuce bowl, and as you can see, we have germination. We have some tiny little seedlings. Look at this beautiful fall color. Absolutely gorgeous. Yes, while this fall foliage is beautiful, let's get into this meal. Yes, the butter, baby, the butter. Yes, let's get some cheese on there. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. A little barbecue sauce, never hurts. Yes, look at that color. Look at that, look at that. And it was absolutely delicious. Compost. Smells good too. I've been throwing kitchen scraps in this particular spot since summer of last year. So definitely this will be ready to use. I mean, really, this looks pretty good now. Definitely spring of next year. I just might plant my corn here. This bed is full of nutrients. Corn, they're heavy feeders. This would be a perfect spot. So I may just do that. I may take some of it to distribute throughout the garden, but majority of this, I think I'm just gonna leave it and grow my corn here. I've still got tomatoes growing. And I'm just gonna leave it be. Way back there too, some green ones. It's already in the process of seeding, so I'm just gonna leave it alone, leave it alone. Garlic is on and popping. This is some choy coming through, on and popping. It's like popcorn, baby. Pop, pop, pop. I'm popping veggies out this mug. See a lot of spider webs. I got some empty grow bags. Gotta fill it with some soil. I might even grab some of that compost over there. Just fill them on up. Lots of leaves falling. Lots and lots of leaves. Get them out of the beds. I don't want them getting all mushy and slimy in here. We don't need to attract anything that shouldn't be here. If you're not bringing anything to the table, get out. don't need you. We don't need you. We don't need you. Go away, spider webs. Go away. There's nothing worse than walking through a spider web. That is the grossest feeling. Ugh. I hate that. I hate that. See how much sun it's getting over here? Lots of sun. I am letting this left bed rest. This tree here really needs to come down because it's dead. They are not producing anything of its own kind. Nothing. But it's on my neighbor's side of the fence. And I don't know if they ever decided to take this tree down. I would like to know because I don't want any of these branches falling on my herb babies or anything else that I might have growing here. I am still snatching up this coleus, trying to propagate as much of it as I can. This is my homemade banana water. This is going to make some really good fertilizer for my plants. There's about 2 cut up bananas in each jar, and then I filled it the rest of the way with water. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.